How can you make good money in the DeFi space? There are numerous platforms offering various functions like liquidity pools, swap, or even a trading platform. But none of them provide simple solutions for simple problems. Often onboarding is difficult, the use case unclear, or the products are just too complicated. That's why I want to give you an insight today into the functions USDFI offers to you as a user and how these functions are interconnected, all without complicated terms or lengthy explanations. First of all, there's the swap function. Most people have probably used this function once or twice, but maybe not yet on USDFI. Primarily, the swap is used to exchange one token for another token. For example, BNB for stable. That's basically all. Additionally, there's also the bridge function. This allows you to exchange a token from one blockchain to another token on another blockchain. We provide all necessary information about fees, from which platforms the token are sourced, and the exchange ratio. That means how many tokens you receive in the end. The second key function is the liquidity. This is needed to deposit tokens as a so-called liquidity pair on our platform. Simply put, you deposit 2 of your own tokens and in return receive rewards in the form of stable, which can be then freely used, sold or reinvested. This brings us straight to the pools section. Here, the aforementioned liquidity can be deposited. You can also see which tokens are available to choose from. For example, if I want to deposit stable in such a pool, I also need another token that acts as the counterpart for the respective pair. Here, for example, the USDFI token. This too can now be easily deposited as liquidity pair in this pool and can also be removed at any time. Our currently most successful feature is probably the MoneyLegos. As the name suggests, MoneyLegos build on other protocols and allow for optimizations and other functions like auto-compound, not only to receive rewards, but also to multiply the deposited tokens in the long term. The best part is that I can deposit my own assets without having to go through complicated intermediate steps by simply using BNB or WBNB. With just one click to deposit tokens in these pools. Voting is an important part of the USDFI ecosystem and will play an increasingly large role in the future. In summary, by locking stable or USDFI, you receive voting rights. These can be used to receive bribes or increase your own APR on pools by up to 250%. All you need is voting rights, so-called voting power, with which you can select and support the respective pool. The next important feature is the bond market. Here, you can get the stable token at a certain discount, depending on the current market price and the vesting period. Vesting describes a process where you as a user can decide how long it should take for all your tokens to be sent to your wallet after purchase. The longer the period, the cheaper the tokens. Another important point is that I can also receive tokens as a referrer for USDFI. For this, you only need to have been invited and use one of the mentioned features, like the pools or the MoneyLegos, which will then be marked as active here in the dashboard. Through the affiliate system, you can receive up to 10% commission at the bond market directly to your wallet. Of course, the USDFI team is continuously working on the development, improvement and simplification of the current features. But we are also diligently working on new features to attract as many users as possible and always stay up to date. If you're interested in what new features are coming up, especially over the next 2 years, definitely check out the USDFI roadmap and take a look at future features and improvements. You can find the link on the roadmap and other useful links below in the video description. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Your Benjamin.